BBC News, India's leading international news platform, ran a special series called India Direct, featuring key programs like Click, The Travel Show, Witness and Working Lives, dedicated to the sights, sounds, culture and economy of India. We at BBC News wanted to appeal to young digital-savvy Indians to tune into this special India Direct series across BBC World News TV channel and bbc.com website. With introduction of affordable 4G, youth in India are increasingly active on mobile for their content consumption. Smartphones are even considered as the second screen while watching TV with this always-on audience. A dual-pronged strategy focusing on ATL to spread awareness and innovative digital marketing to trigger tune-ins was adopted. The campaign was targeted in key metros of Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore for ATL activities, while digital activities was across India focusing on SEC AB male and female of 18 plus years. Leverage the increasing audience on mobile to integrate with TV platform and drive viewership of the programs on BBC World News channel. And thus was born the unique mobile Add to Calendar reminder feature. We chose our flagship tech and travel shows to execute the idea. The ads were focused on interest-based audience. For example, audience on a travel site would be shown the travel show ad, and similarly, audiences on a tech site would be shown the promos of Click. First, viewers browsing such sites from their mobile were exposed to a teaser ad. On clicking the sticker banner, it took over the entire screen and prompted the user to shake or tap the phone, thereby engaging with the user at a deeper level. The user was then shown the Click promo.
Click is here for a closer look. Spencer Kelly travels the country to meet the innovators changing lives.
Along with a button Add to Calendar. Once the user clicked this reminder button, a calendar file was downloaded to their smartphone and a calendar entry was added. A mobile alarm reminded them to tune in for their favorite tech or travel show 20 minutes before the telecast on BBC World News channel. We smartly placed these rich media banners via programmatic ads on targeted websites and a popular free music streaming app called Savan, which is extensively used by younger audience in India. The results were fascinating. More than 8,900 calendars were downloaded in just 10 days, which resulted in the Click episode at 12 PM on 25th March 2017 see a massive increase in viewership by 224% compared to its preceding show. Similarly, the travel show on 26th March saw a jump in viewership by 235% from its preceding show. The India Direct marketing campaign also resulted in increase in the overall reach numbers for BBC World News channel on pan-India basis by 28%, with key cities seeing the following gains in reach. Mega cities 13%, India Urban 32%, Bangalore gained 47%, Mumbai gained 48% and Delhi gained 84%. BBC News. Live the story.